What's up, YouTube? What if I told you that you can get paid just for installing a free app on your phone? Sounds good? Stay tuned, it's coming right up. Before we get into all that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I'm known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Here on the channel, I do two things. I record these kind of free videos where I teach you all about entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. And I also do reviews of software and info products that make money online niche, so you end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, that's why you look at my reviews first. Now, if you are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. And now, without further ado, let's get right into this. On a website called Fronto, fronto.co, not .com.co. Make sure that you go to fronto.co, otherwise you will not find this app. Basically, this is an app that puts an ad on your lock screen on your phone. It's literally kind of like Tinder.
Okay, let's get me set up on this Tinder thing.
You know, you swipe left, swipe left, or swipe right, except this one doesn't get you drunk at night.
I was very drunk, and it was someone else's subconscious.
Anyway, so there's really nothing more to it than that.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Basically, all you're going to do is swipe one way if you're interested, swipe the other way if you're not interested. Either way, you're going to get paid. You make money either way, even if you swipe right and you're not interested, you still get paid just for having seen the ad on your phone. So there's really nothing more to do than that. And you can redeem the money for PayPal. You can also get Amazon.com gift cards, or you can get a coupon for various products. Typically, you'll make about $20, maybe $30 a month.
Every little bit helps.
So it's not going to be a full-time replacement income, obviously, but it's a nice little side gig. You can make some extra cash literally for doing nothing more than installing this app on your phone and just making use of it.
Free bitches, it's free! It's free!
And you can see they've already given away over $5 million.
Is that a lot?
So these guys are a trustworthy app. You can get it. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for iPhone. It only works for Android. But that's pretty much all you need to know about it. There's really nothing to it more than that.
That's all there is to it.
That's all there is to it.
Just swipe one way. If you're interested, swipe the other way. If you're not interested, either way you get paid. And make some extra cash. Why not? You know, I'm installing it on my phone. I just found this website. I'm going to install it on my phone. I figure, why not? You know, listen, it's not going to be a ton of money, but it's literally free money.
Free money!
So go for it. You think you're going to love it.